guys.
Today's Mama birthday.
That's what you're supposed to say. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, everybody. Today's a special day. Today's a special day. Why is it so special?
Because today's Mama birthday.
Today's Mama birthday?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
So how old is Mama today?
32.
Wow, big 32. So you're gonna make her a surprise?
Yes.
Yes, so
And
we're gonna do
don't
a lot
forget,
of things today.
I want to tell you something. Don't forget the prank.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a lot of things today. We're going somewhere, we're gonna have fun, we're gonna eat. She have no idea where we're gonna bring her, right?
Yes, me too.
You too?
Yes, can
Alright.
you tell me? Can you
It's a surprise for Mama, okay?
Just like that, I can't tell it to Mama.
No, you don't tell it to Mama, okay? Alright guys, so let's start today. Let's go see the birthday girl. You're gonna sing. At three you start to sing, okay? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Hi, Faith. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon and good night,
It's
you
your
guys.
birthday.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Birthday turn up.
I'm sorry, touching on my Lego. On my Lego.
Come, Sarah. Come.
On my Lego.
Come. Look at her.
On my toys.
Come, Mama. Come. Let's go. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Come. Sarah, come. We can see you in the dark. You're glowing. Okay, close the door. Sarah, the balloon is following you. Mama, tie it onto your hand. You guys, it's a brand new day. It's a new year for me. This is all of 32 year, honey child. It's my birthday, 32 fine. It's my birthday, it's my birthday, it's my birthday. So, I got up this morning with the intention of getting dressed the way you see me right now, to take some pictures taken by my wonderful husband, and he did an amazing job. It's the first time I didn't have to cuss out babe when he's taking my picture. He was patient, he did all the angles for me, and he got it right. You guys will have seen him taking the pictures this morning because the camera was on, so I'll show you guys that. And yeah, he also said that we're gonna leave the house by 10 o'clock. I have no idea where on God's lovely earth he's taking us, but I guess you guys will come along, so you'll see what's up through the husband eyes. Right, honey? So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you guys thank you already for all the love, because I know you guys will be sending it my way through Instagram, Facebook, and on here on YouTube. So love you guys, and thank you guys for all the love that you'll be sending. If it's your first time to our channel, of course, be sure to subscribe and catch me and keep up with the family. It's your girl birthday, so let go. Guys, so as of right now we are in Cannes. still don't know where we're going. Well, I guess can.
Right.
So that's the destination for today, Cannes. If y'all know about Cannes Film Festival, that's where we are. So we arrived in Cannes. I just realized that we're going on a boat. Hopefully you guys can hear me with this mask on. So we're taking a boat. I guess we're going somewhere else. Yes, Ty. We're going on a boat.
But I know
We are going on a boat. Bonjour. So this is where we are. We're going on this boat. We need to go so we can get a good spot. Bonjour. So we're going on. Get a good spot. Good spot. Good.
Up,
Good.
down.
I think the lower for Thai is better.
Okay.
Come.
In front.
Mm-hmm.
Go.
Come, Thai. We're in a boat. Come. There's another stroller here. Put the stroller here. Put the stroller here, and then we sit in the direction that the boat is going. Tyler, come over here.
Hold on. Put this.
Ah, we are on a boat. We are on a boat.
Bucket.
Look at Sarah behavior in this boat, though. You wanna come? Up? Up? No? Yes? Bye. Bye-bye. Sarah, no. Please. Hi.
Honey, so you are the front. You are the front. Probably. You see, this is where we're going, the island, the big island there.
Papa?
Yes, Tyler.
Je croyais.
Loving the breeze.
Yes. She lost one shoe's name, she almost fell.
it, Ty.
We're gonna bake it, Tyler. Papa buy all of the ingredients.
Yay! I'm burning me.
That's the drink.
Every time I use this eyeliner, it burn my eye. You caught that on camera, I'm sure. Only Sarah do these things, yeah?
Hey guys, we finally reached the little island. The birthday continue. We just find a nice spot to eat, so we're gonna have lunch now. We just get a little drink.
Our favorite.
A favorite little drink. Tyler got his favorite one, Coca-Cola. That's your favorite one too?
Yes, I have two favorites.
You have two favorites. So we.
Strawberry syrup and Coca-Cola.
Ah, cool. So guys, we're gonna eat. We're gonna see what's good they have, and then we're gonna explore a little bit the island and chill. The birthday girl decided that it's time to go. She chose. Right? Having a good day for now. Enjoying your day.
I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting to do this island. I know we've been wanting to come here for a while, but we've never.
You happy?
Of course.
Alright, let's eat.
Yeah.
Tu veux du ketchup? Tu veux de la mayonnaise?
Ketchup. Un ketchup? Les deux.
Vous mettez les deux, huile piquante pour la pizza?
Non.
Pepper?
Non,
Oh. Why are you shouting like that?
So the food is here. Sarah got her favorite one. What you get? You get. Wow!
Fish.
You get a nice fish with
And
some
small potatoes
and veggies.
green beans and
Ooh la la.
tomato and eggplant, and it smells so good.
What you have, Tyler?
Chicken nuggets and fries.
Wow! So we got also an extra fries for Sarah especially, and we get a nice cheese pizza for me.
What's so funny around here? 40, come. She's so funny. Come on, give you ice cream. So why you have to close your eyes? You're acquiring the taste? You're too funny.
Hello, little boy. Hello, little boy. What you doing in the corner? What did you find? What did you find in the corner? It's dark here.
Not dark.
Not dark.
Oh, come
Oh, there's a little windows.
Yes.
What is in the windows?
I
Wow.
see the people here, and here I see some trees.
And here's the trees. Wow. And here's the mama. The birthday mama.
Mama, come in our family house.
32.
32 looks good.
32. Wow.
I know that 32 looks good because I just had
Mama?
32. So you see when 33 turns, you
Mama?
say 33 looks good too.
You're hilarious, honey.
Come in our family house.
Okay, let me get into the family house. I am in.
And
All
there's
in.
some
I don't know if
windows.
it's a family house. This is very different.
Mama, look in the window.
Oh, all right.
Here too.
Okay, you know that this looks like they were protecting their turf. So they use this to send off cannons when the enemy's coming across the sea.
Can you carry me like that? I can see what it is.
You can see.
City of Cannes.
And on the
You
other
see?
side, just some trees.
Mm-hmm.
And I see
Here are boats. Boats on top of boats. What is that, Tyler? What is
You know what that is?
yeah.
what is it?
No.
And bullet the cannon.
Oh,
No.
what is it for?
But the crocodiles wearing my glasses.
Ah, that's funny.
Mama, come look.
Here is the living room, the little preparation, the balloon on the floor, the balloon on top, not on the floor, the writing, happy 32nd birthday, Mama, je t'aime and I love you. That's Tyler's idea, that was a great idea. We have the happy birthday here and little things to organize, to put the cake in the middle, to find the perfect song and to do all of these things.
Papa, what's this?
This is Mama
This?
gift. You want to see it? Alright, I'm gonna show it to you. The simple thing is made. Babe says she just wanted one thing for her birthday. She says she wanted cheesecake. So we're here with Tyler organizing a little table with her cheesecake. Let me show you. So we put the happy birthday on the wall and she gonna come and see her cheesecake. And we have a little gift for her, her 32. And you're gonna show something to Mama? Right. So we're going for Mama now? You want? Alright, let's go for Mama.
Come, Sarah, let's go see. What did they do? Faves, tell me what did they do? The volley is up, so the lighting not dark.
The lighting no dark. We no need no dark. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday
Mama,
to you.
That's okay.
What I'm going to do is back over.
Okay.
Mama, I love you.
Thank you, my baby. I love you too. Thank you.
I didn't want to just the simple things, so we didn't do much. We just did the simple thing for you.
So why you turn off the light? You are too funny. I see my cheesecake. And I see candy. And happy 32nd birthday, Mama. I love you, je t'aime. With the number 32.
And your Toogie.
And balloon. And two gifts. So where is the second gift?
It's toilet papers.
This and this.
Thank you. Vegan. What's on this box written vegan?
It's the shoes that you can eat.
Oh.
That's a
okay.
special one.
Thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Open it. Open this. Open
Okay.
this and look what there is.
So where you had the cake hiding? Where you had the cake hiding? It's the first I see this cake. Cheesecake, just like I asked. Okay, so this is my gift. Let me open it.
Shoes that you can eat.
Just what I want. Just what I want. Just what I want. Yes. We want cream. Oh my God.
They match with your top.
Oh my God. Yes, yes, and yes. Thanks, honey. You did a good job. Thank you. Exactly what I wanted.
The other thing.
It's so dang pretty. Yes. What size is it? What size did you get?
39.
39. I was about to say, look big. Good job. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. What's this?
Mango, if you want mango on your
Mango
cheese.
sauce for the cheesecake.
Yeah.
You're too funny. Thank you. Oh, shit! I told you guys, all I wanted was cheesecake. But this was my hidden secret of what I really wanted. Thank you, honey.
Mama,
oh my God.
Look at this.
I'm in love.
Mama, look at
Love.
this.
Thank you, baby.
Mama.
Look at this.
Yes.
Okay. Should I start from
One
this
by
one?
one. Yes.
Okay.
One by one.
Oh, that's a rainbow.
I need it.
Thank you, Ty.
Next one.
Oh, what is this? A planet? The planet?
Space on the planet.
Oh, I like
This
it.
is Saturn.
Okay, and which one is Mama Lucky Planet?
Which
Which one is Mama Lucky Planet? Which one you giving me? I'll take the sun. This look like the sun. Is this the sun?
yes.
Okay, I'll take it. How about that?
Yes. This is you.
So this is me.
This is the cake and this is me.
Oh, this is the cake. I love this one. This one is my favorite. And it says, I love you, Mama. Thank you,
Mama,
baby. Can I have a kiss?
I give for you the earth.
Oh, you're giving me the earth.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
Now you have to test your cake.
Sing!
Ella, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Mama. Happy birthday.
To me!
Make a wish.
I wish.
Make a wish. Close your eye. Make a wish.
Come.
Mama.
Yes, I have to make a wish, wait.
Making
Sorry, you're gonna
a
make a
wish.
wish with me? Make a wish with me?
Yes, because I want to blow in same time as you.
Blow. Come blow with me.
Oh my God.
Good job.
Yeah!
Now you have to test the cake.
Okay, let me taste the cake. My kryptonite is cheesecake. I absolutely love cheesecake, and I tell babe that's all I want. One slice. Well, you got me 5. I'll take it.
Okay. You want the white wine?
Yes, please, red wine. Tastes good.
Mama, take some of the candy.
No, I don't want any candy.
Take the pink one. Which one you want, the green or red?
Hello, you want some things? You want apple juice?
Pink.
Ching, ching, ching.
232, baby!
All together.
Thank you, honey. You did
You're
good.
welcome.
I appreciate the day. You did good. Thank you so much. You don't want some?
Yeah, but you're eating it all like.
You want some? Get a spoon, honey, for yourself and have a slice. It's yummy.
Yeah.